Welcome to Disciple Press. We offer high-quality prints and same-day turnaround. Have your prints as soon as tomorrow with express shipping. We know you have enough to worry about. Let us handle your printing needs. With our high-quality products and friendly customer service, we will make the process as easy and quick as possible. We have a wide selection of designs to choose from. Whether male or female, you are sure to find the perfect layout for your loved one. We offer custom welcome signs, which can be framed to cherish for years to come. There are many different options to choose from. Whether you want an 8-page booklet or a small memorial card or bookmark, we have you covered. We know how important it is that your order arrives on time for your service. Most orders print and ship the same day you order. With express shipping, you can have your prints as soon as tomorrow. All our designs are 100% customizable, and you can choose to have us print for you or download and print yourself. To get started, you will first select a design from our gallery. On the next page, you will complete the drop-down menu on the right side of the page. You will select whether you want us to print for you or print yourself. Then select to either customize yourself or we'll customize it for you. Then select your size, paper type, and quantity. You will then continue to the next step. Once the online design tool has loaded, you will begin replacing the placeholder photos with your own. Simply click the existing photo and upload a photo from your computer. To replace the placeholder text, double-click and highlight the existing text. Once highlighted, simply begin typing your own text. You can move elements around the design by clicking and dragging. To resize an element, click the icon in the bottom right corner of the element. Once you have saved the design and added to your cart, you will go through the checkout process. To get your shipping options, enter your shipping address first, then your options will populate. Depending on the shipping speed you select, your prints will arrive in 1 to 3 business days. The prints will be folded and ready to be handed out. If you have any questions regarding our services, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much for choosing Disciple Press.